straighten up my room real quick, so 1 second. Hello guys, and welcome back. It is Saturday, and today has been a very relaxing day. So what I mean by that is usually Saturdays are two things happen. One, you're recovering from the night before in college, or two, you are just fully relaxing and minimally try to get out of bed. I mean, then if you want to be really good, you can go to the gym and just start your day as if it's just any other day. But Saturday, there's no class, and for some, no work, so we all just want to relax. So again, welcome back to my channel. I'm sincerely Jess, and today I'm going to try to teach you how to meditate. Now, disclaimer before we begin, I am not an expert at meditation nor yoga, and number two, I'm just a college student trying to teach you about meditation in case you've never heard of it or if you've never tried it. It has helped me, and I think it can really help you if you struggle with anxiety, depression, low self-esteem, and I'd love to just have you be able to try it and experience how it feels afterwards. It may not be so profound the first time you try it, but after you begin to practice, it'll be like second nature, and it just gets easier with every time you have a meditation session. So without further ado, I will teach you just exactly what I do to meditate. Alright everyone, so get out your phone. We are going to look up a guided meditation today. I'll be using the YouTube Music app, but there's plenty of other apps out there that you can use to find guided meditations. So on here, just start typing in guided meditation. Usually there's ones for whatever length you want, but today we'll go with one of the first ones we see. We'll choose the deserving and worthiness meditation. This one doesn't look too bad. It is only about 18 minutes and 50 seconds long. So let's start meditating. So once you have your meditation going, you want to lay down in your bed. You can put your hands on your stomach or above your head, whatever you feel comfortable doing. Sometimes it's nice to just feel all your organs and your heart beating to really center yourself. Or you can sit upright, hands face down. Try not to get distracted by your cell phone and maintain a sense of balance. Breathe in and out. Really focus on the breath, and your mind is going to go a bunch of directions, but stay focused. Thank you again for joining me on today's meditation. I know meditation is not everyone's cup of tea, but I hope that you at least could try it out one time and see how it feels for you. Everyone is a unique being and has a different view on what helps them balance stress and help them feel better. So if meditation works for you, give this video a like and comment in the bar below if it helped. Or let me know just what your overall meditation routine or ritual is. That'd be amazing to hear. So thank you for joining today, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!